History: Lucid Motors, an American electric vehicle EV manufacturer, was founded by Peter Rawlinson in 2007. Peter Rawlinson, a British engineer with extensive experience in the automotive industry, played a pivotal role in establishing the company. Lucid Motors was initially known as Atieva and focused on electric drivetrain technology before shifting its attention to EV manufacturing. Early success: Lucid Motors gained early recognition for its expertise in electric drivetrain technology. The company supplied battery packs and electric powertrains to various automotive manufacturers, including Formula E race cars. Lucid's early success was built on its ability to deliver high-performance electric powertrains. Best inventions: one of Lucid's standout inventions is its electric vehicle platform, known as the Lucid Electric Advanced Platform LEAP. LEAP is designed to underpin a range of electric vehicles and offers flexibility, efficiency, and performance. Additionally, Lucid's electric powertrain technology, including its innovative battery management system, is known for delivering impressive range and charging capabilities. Recent developments: Lucid Motors made significant strides in the electric vehicle market with the introduction of its first production vehicle, the Lucid Air. The Lucid Air is a luxury electric sedan known for its sleek design, advanced technology, and exceptional performance. It garnered attention for its impressive range, with the Lucid Air Dream Edition offering over 500 miles of range on a single charge. Current status: Lucid Motors is still actively producing and delivering the Lucid Air to customers. The company plans to expand its product lineup with additional models, including an electric SUV. Lucid is also focused on expanding its manufacturing capacity and establishing itself as a competitor in the luxury electric vehicle market.